everyone and welcome back to Shultech classes, and today we will start learning about the fourth stage of AI project cycle, means data modeling. There are two approaches of data modeling, rule-based approach and learning-based approach. And today we will study about the rule-based approach of data modeling. So without any delay, let's start the video. If you find our video helpful, please remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. Your support will help us to keep this channel running. See, by now we know that the first stage of AI project cycle is problem scoping. In this, we understand the problem for which we are creating our AI model. Then comes data acquisition, where we acquire the data that we use to train our AI model. Then in data exploration stage, we remove all the errors and redundancies from the data, and then we analyze it using some statistical methods, and then we visualize it using some graphs, charts, diagrams or maps so that we can find out the trends and patterns that are hidden inside the data, right? And now we want to create an AI based computer model that can understand the trends and patterns of the data. It's a fact that no machine can compete human brain. We can understand the pattern hidden in a graph just by observing it. But a machine does not work like human brain. It can understand only binary digits 0 and 1. Means if we want a machine to understand our data, then we need to convert the entire data in its binary format. And also we need to apply some mathematical logic so that the machine can understand our data and then it can find the trends and patterns hidden inside the data. Now, what a machine can do? It can describe the data mathematically, and then it can analyze the relationship between the different parameters of data. And for this purpose, we create an AI-based computer model. Means data modeling refers to developing an algorithm or the mathematical logic for the model, then writing computer code by using that machine learning algorithm, and then training the model using the data that we have acquired in the second stage of AI project cycle. And then finally, we get the intelligent outputs from that model. Means the very first thing that we need is a machine learning algorithm, so that we can use that machine learning algorithm to create our computer code. Now, depending on what type of data we have, structured or unstructured, discrete or continuous, or what type of model we want to create, we have many types of algorithms available, like linear regression, logistic regression, linear discriminant analysis, decision tree, naive Bayes, k-nearest neighbor, learning vector, support vector machines, lagging and random forest, and deep neural network. And after selecting the most appropriate algorithm, then we create the AI model. Now all the algorithms that we have seen in our previous slide can be divided into two categories. One is rule-based and one is learning-based. And now we will learn how the rule-based approach works. We know that data is the first requirement to train any AI-based model. In rule-based approach, we provide two things. One is the data and the second is the rules that the model has to follow to take any decision. That means all the rules for taking any decisions are pre-decided by the developer. Then he trains the model with the data and these rules. And finally, the model predicts the outcome. Suppose we want to create a rule-based model that can identify the images of apples and bananas. And for that, we have a dataset comprising of 100 images of apples and 100 images of bananas. Now to train our machine, we feed this data into the machine and label each image as either an apple or a banana. Here the rules given to the machine are the labels given to each image in the training dataset. Also, we can give some more rules to identify the image, like the red and round images are for apples and long and yellow images are for bananas. So the machine is trained using this data and these rules. Now, if we test the machine with an image of an apple, it will compare the image with the training data set and the rules given by the programmer, and then it will identify the image as an apple image. So this is how the rule-based approach works. But there are some drawbacks of rule-based approach. Like in rule-based approach, learning is static. The machine once trained does not take into consideration any changes made in the original dataset. That means if we try to test the machine on a different dataset that is different from the data fed into the machine during the training stage, then the machine will fail to give an output and also it will not learn from its mistakes. It means that once the machine is trained with some data and some rules, then it will not be able to improve itself from any new data or on the basis of the feedbacks. So this is all about rule-based approach of data modeling. In our next video, we will learn about the learning-based approach of data modeling. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. See you in our next video. Till then, take care and bye-bye.